Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the differentiation of a function x raised to the power of x to the power x, and the differentiation is going to be calculated with respect to the variable x. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about this particular question as well as some basic ideas of the differentiation of a function. And if you are new in this channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the instant notification of the uploaded videos. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here, this is our today's topic: derivative of x raised to the power of x to the power x with respect to x. Let's suppose, first of all, let's suppose this as a function y is equals to, here our function is x to the power of x, again to the power of x, and the derivative is going to be calculated with respect to the variable x. First of all, first step is, here the variable, our variable x is on the exponent, so dropping this variable which is present in exponents as a coefficient, we can drop this variable as a coefficient. uh, for this we have to use the logarithm can help us to bring the power as a coefficient. Let's take the natural log on the both side. First step is taking ln means just natural log on both side, and our expression will be ln of y is here equals to x to the power of x raised to the power of x. This is ln of this. Here in this step, uh, we just use the natural log on the both side. We just take the natural log on the both side, and this can be further simplified as ln of y is here equals to, we can use the power law here, taking x to the power of x, taking x to the power of x is a power, we can drop this power, x to the power of x is a coefficient, by using the property of the logarithm. Here we just use the concept log of a raised to the power of n. This can be written as n times log of a. Here we just use this property of the logarithm, so we can drop this power as a coefficient. Here the x to the power of x is taken here as a, here x to the power of x is taken here as a power, uh, and let's differentiate these equations on the both side with respect to x. Differentiating these expressions with respect to x on the both side, and this will be d of ln y with respect to x. Here we just differentiating, and let's differentiate on the right hand side also. D of x raised to the power of x times ln x with respect to x. Here in this step we just differentiate these equations with respect to x. Here I am going to use the implicit differentiation. That means here we are going to differentiate the function without expressing y in terms of x, without solving for y. So this method of differentiation called the implicit differentiation. Let's simplify this, and this can be further written as ln of y with respect to y. Here this function is function of y, so differentiating with respect to y, here the we do extra dy, so for balancing we have to multiply also dy over this is dx. Here we just use the chain rule, and here on the right hand side we can use the product law of the derivative. Here the two functions are in product form, so we can use the product law of the derivative. And according to the product law, taking first of all taking of function, let's take ln of x first, and the derivative of the second function is here x to the power of x, plus here we first take the ln of x is the first function. Let's take the x raised to the power of x and the derivative of the remaining one. ln of x with respect to the same variable x. Here we just use the product law. Here we use the chain law. This is chain rule, rule, and this is called as the product law, product rule, rule of the differentiation. Let's simplify it. Here, please remember very important point: the derivative of ln y with respect to y is just 1 over y. It is the formula. According to the formula, the derivative of ln y with respect to y is just 1 over y, and times this is dy over dx. Our target is to calculate dy over dx. At the right hand side is here the ln of x times the derivative of x to the power of x with respect to x plus x to the power of x, and the derivative of ln x with respect to x is just 1 over x. Please remember the very important formula. Here we just use the derivative of ln of x with respect to the same variable x is just 1 over x. This is the formula. Please remember this formula. Our target is to calculate dy over dx. Here the derivative of x to the power of x is going to be calculated. Let's calculate this derivative of x to the power of x with respect to x separately. Let's calculate now. Calculating the derivative of x to the power of x with respect to x. Now calculating the derivative of, let's say, x to the power of x is a u. Here we just suppose the x to the power of x is a variable u, and let's take the ln on the both side. Then after taking the log on the both side, x times ln x is here equals to ln of u. Here we just take the natural log on the both side, and let's differentiate it these equations both side with respect to the x. Let's differentiate it, and here we can use the product law, taking x as a first function, derivative of ln of x with respect to x plus ln of x, and the derivative of x with respect to x is here derivative of ln of u with respect to x, and here we can use the chain rule also, du over dx. Here in this step we just differentiate this equation with respect to x, and then we use here the product law. This is the product law, and here on the right hand side this is the chain law, and this is the product rule. Let's calculate the derivative of x to the power of x, and then we will substitute here, and here this is x, and the derivative of ln of x with respect to x is just 1 over x. So the 1 over x times x will give 1 plus, and this is derivative of x with respect to x is just 1. So ln of x is here equals to, this is 1 over u. Derivative of ln of u with respect to u is just 1 over u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Therefore, from these equations, derivative of u with respect to x is here. Let's transposing this u on the right hand side, doing the cross multiplications, u times 1 plus ln of x, and here the variable u is here x to the power of x, x to the power of x 1 plus ln of x. Therefore, here we calculated the derivative of u is here x to the power of x, x to the power of x with respect to x is here calculated as x to the power of x times 1 plus ln of x. Here we calculated this result. The derivative of x to the power of x with respect to x is here x to the power of x times 1 plus ln x. Let's substitute this result. Let's substitute this result on this expression. Let's substitute. After substituting these results on these expressions, our expression will be from this result from this, continue this result. 1 over y times dy over dx is here equals to ln of x, and derivative of x to the power of x with respect to x is here calculated as a x to the power of, let's substitute the value, x to the power of x 1 plus ln of x. Here we just substitute the value, and this is result here, x to the power of x times 1 over x. Here we just substitute this result on this equation. Let's calculate dy over dx. Transposing this y times the ln of x ln of x ln of x times x to the power of x. Here we just multiplying 1 plus ln of x plus x to the power of x 1 over x. Here we just transpose this y on the right hand side. Our target is to calculate dy over dx, and here the y, this y, let's suppose this y, and here among these two expressions, among these binomials, we can take x to the power of x is a common here. We can take x to the power of x is a common. So taking x to the power of x is a common, and the remaining term will be ln of x times 1 plus ln of x plus 1 over x. Here we just take x to the power of x is a common. And this is y. This y is here supposed as a, this y as the value. Here we already suppose the y as a x to the power of x raised to the power of x. Let's substitute the value of the y as a this expression. Let's substitute here. The y is here just x to the power of x. This is our required function. Here the value of the y is x to the power of x raised to the power of x times this is x to the power of x times this can be written as ln of 1 plus ln of x plus 1 over x. Here we just substitute the value of the y from our assumptions. This is our, from these expressions we just substitute the value of the y. Therefore this is the result of dy over dx. This is the final result. The derivative of x raised to the power of x to the power of x is here calculated as a this function. This is our original function times this one. This is the result of the derivative of x to the power of x with respect to x. This is the result. This is the final answer of this particular question. Here we use so many concepts of the differentiation, as well as some concept of the logarithm, and here we use the substitution method, and finally we have solved this particular question. In our next video we will discuss more about the derivative of the special type of the function. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.